Hello everyone, this is RSG and today we'll be working on a merge function. So topic for today is combining data frame using merge function. So merge is a function that we use in Python Panda data frame. So we'll be working on how to use merge function. Okay, I have already created a data frame named 1, 2 and 3. I am having 3 data frames. So here I will be using the merge function. So first of all, let me tell you the use of merge function. So the merge function is used to combine 2 data frames such that rows with some common values, that is rows which are having common values, are merged together in the final result. So if I am using 2 data frame, in those 2 data frame, those rows which are having common values are merged together based on a common field. So how to use merge function? So let's take a data frame object. I have taken M1 and pd dot merge. I am writing pd because in the beginning I have written import panda as pd. So as I have written import panda as pd, so instead of writing the full name pandas, I can write over here pd, which is an alias name that I have given earlier. So I can write pd instead of pandas, and dot merge is a function of pandas. So pd dot merge, and I want to merge 1 and 2 on the basis of a field called name. So what will happen over here? It will check for this field name in 1 and 2 data frame. The name field which are having common values like p, q and r. Here also we are having p, q and r. It will merge them and it will be stored, the values will be stored in the new data frame object, which is m1. So let's press enter and execute this statement. So what we are doing over here, we are merging 2 data frame 1 and 2 data on the basis of name. We have specified on equal to name. I can also specify some another field like value field I am having, so I can also write value. In that case it will check for the rows which are having same values in the field value, but here I have specified name, so it will check only the name field and both the data frame 1 and 2. Now I am having the record or the values in new data frame object, which is m1. So let's press enter key. Now see what we get over here. So this is the output that we got. In the p, q and r, the p, q, r values are common in data frame 1 and data frame 2. The s over here, it is not present in data frame 1, it is present in data frame 2 only. So this record is not being displayed over here. So this is the use of merge function in Python pandas data frame. Now as we are specifying name over here, that means it will merge the rows which are having common values in the field name. But what will happen if I will not specify any name over here? That means I am not specifying based a particular field name based on which we are going to merge. So in that case what will happen? So if you skip the argument on, like over here I have skipped the argument on, then it will take any merge on common fields of 2 data frame, right? So if you haven't specified any on argument over here, so Python will automatically merge your rows on some common fields, like in fields which are having common values. But we can specify the fields on the basis of which we want to merge the 2 data frame by the use of on argument. So when I am writing over here pd.merge 1, 2, let's see what's happening over here. Merge. So it is only displaying P1. So what is happening over here? When I am giving the command pd.merge 1 comma 2 without specifying any field name based on which I have to merge, it is merging, it is checking both the columns. Like there are two columns, it will check both the columns, and if those columns, and in these two columns, those rows which are having identical values, only those rows will be displayed. Like over here, S is here, but S is not there, so this will not be displayed. R is here, and it is 3.0 over here, but R is here, and here it is NaN value, not null value, so this record will also be not displayed. Q is here, but it is NaN over here. Here it is 2.0, so this record will also be not be displayed, and only this record will be displayed, P1, P1.0 and P1.0, because these two records are common. Therefore it is displaying this P1.0 as the output, which is being stored in M1 data frame. So I hope this is clear to you. So if you skip the argument on, then it will take any merge on common fields of the two data frame, or it will merge all those rows which are having all common values, you can say that. So if you don't specify merge, it will check all the records, all the rows which are having common values in all the fields. So here only one is having common value, right? Okay, let's try with some another data frame. Like I am having a data frame 1, and then I am having a data frame 3 over here. Let's give the same command, and instead of writing 1, I have mentioned over here THREE, not specifying the field with the use of using the on clause. So let's see what is the output. So here none of the row are having common values in all the fields, so you can check that. Here the name is in first index number, this is the first index number 0, these are the label 0, 1, 2, ABCD, but the index number of first row is always 0. This is here also the first row is having the index number 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the labels. Labels can be same. You can again give the A to the, instead of C you can again write A. You can give duplicate index number. Here you have written 0, again you can make it 0. 1 you have written, you can again make it 1, because these are the label, row labels. But the index number which is not being displayed, it is by default it starts with 0. So the first row index number in name I am having P over here, but here it is having M. Yeah, but this value is same, but if I am not specifying on clause, then what will happen? It will check all the values on all the fields. So this is same, but this is not same, so it will not print. Second one, this is Q 2.0, this is Q NaN value, not same. Both the rows should be same, both the records, all the records in all the fields should be same. If you are not specifying on clause or on argument, here also R, it is NaN value over here, here it is R 3.0, so not same. This is S is there and S is not present here, so this will not be displayed, right? So what's happening over here? It is checking all the records and all the fields. If they are similar in both the data frames, then only it will be displayed. Now over here, if I specify on argument, so it will on equal to, so I want to check by, let's check by value itself, value, because value is a column name, so I have to write it within double quotes or single quotes. So what will happen now? It will check the rows or the value rows in the value column and both the data frame. Like over here, 1 in value column, name in the value column, all the records which are common, like 1 is common, NaN is common, NaN, and 1 and NaN. Only these two values are common in both the data frames, so only these records will be displayed. So let's check the answer. So I have given the command already, M1. So M1, so 1 and NaN. So we are merging on the basis of value. So the value which are common in both the data frame, like in the first one it's x nan, sorry, it's 1 here, and nan value here also I am making 1 and nan, only these are common, so only these two records are being displayed. Rest of the records or rows are not being displayed. This means it will display this record and this record, this record and this record, right? Name x means this is our first. I have created this data frame with x dictionary, and I have created this data frame with y dictionary. So therefore the name x and y is coming over here. Automatically they will be assigned the row labels 0 and 1. If there are 3 rows which are common, the next one it will be 2. If I want to merge based on name, so I can give name. So name which are common, it will check for the name which are common in M1 and M3. So in 1 and 3, so only these two names are common, Q and R. Let's check it again. 1, right? So here it is checking, it is merging based on the field name. It is merging based on the field names. So in 1 and 3, all those rows which are having common name, only those rows will be printed or will be displayed or would be stored in a new variable. So I am having a P over here, I don't have a P over here, so this record will not be displayed. I am having Q over here and there is a Q over here, this record will be displayed. So you can see this record over here. And now I am having R over here, R is also over here, so you can see this R 2.R nan value and R 3.0. so you can see this value over here, right? Then I am having S is not present on in data frame 1, so S is not being displayed. M is present here, but M is not present in 1 data frame, so M and S will not be displayed. So this is your final output. So I hope this is clear to you. So merge function is used to combine two data frames such that rows with some common values are merged together in the final result. So this is all for today. If you are having any queries, you can ask me. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.